symbol DCTH. Looks like the last time that we went through this one was going to be back over here on the 8th. All right, I just want to make sure that I put in that so you guys can see when. All right, so I said watch for a bounce here, pulling back into lower Bollinger Band. You guys moved up a little bit, basically pulled back in just the following day. The pullbacks into the lower Bollinger Bands are normally going to last a day or so, depending on what's going on with the chart, but it's usually good for a quick flip, my personal opinion. That being said, watch for a bounce, pulling back into the lower Bollinger Band. If buying returns, could move quick. 30 cents resistance, leveling out, could be setting up. That's what I thought. It started leveling out there for a few days, but then it continued to drop. So now you guys went down over here, which is going to be on the 15th, and went solid sideways since. You guys, a lot of gap ups, but the bad thing here is there is a lot of selling. All right, so that being said, I really can't add too much here until there's more buying pressure in this stock. I mean, look at this. As soon as I pulled this up, all I seen was red. I mean, there's no other way around that. It is what it is. So for now, I'm going to put this one on a hold. Way too much selling. Way too much selling, in my opinion. Not even enough for it to move up. And Joe should take over if there's anything to add.
I don't know. I'm looking into it really quick right now. It's the first time we've ever obviously gone over this. All right, so there's a press release today. And it was published review shows Delcath investigational PHP doubles overall survival over other targeted liver therapies. So Delcath Systems Incorporated, they're traded on the NASDAQ with the ticker symbol DCTH, an interventional oncology company focused on the treatment of primary and metastatic liver cancers, announced today that the American Journal of Clinical Oncology has published a liver center retrospective review in which authors found that investigational PHP with melphalan's HDS offers promising results with a doubling of overall survival and significantly longer progression-free survival PFS and hepatic progression-free survival HPFS than other targeted therapies. I don't even know the word. Percutaneous hepatic perfusion, PHP, is a minimal invasive procedure that isolates the liver from the body's circulatory system so that a high dose of chemotherapy, melphalan hydrochloride, may be infused directly into the liver. Blood from the liver is then filtered to remove the chemotherapeutic agent, thereby minimizing systematic exposure. The review, hepatic progression-free and overall survival after regional therapies to the liver for metastatic melanoma, was written by a team from the Moffitt Cancer Center, including co-authors Drs. Andrea M. Abbott and Matthew P. I'm going to butcher his name, Doepker. It's his name spelled Doepker. So if you know it, good luck. And Jonathan Zager, the principal investigator in Zelcan's ongoing phase 3 focus study. So, I mean, that's basically it. The press release right here is basically stating there was an article written and how this right here, this PHP doubles overall survival over other targeted liver therapies. So then you have a company that's traded on the NASDAQ and it's traded at 17 cents a share right now. Little lucky 17. And that's that. I mean, do your due diligence to find out. They're obviously in this press release. It also states that they're in their phase 3. And if I pull up these press releases, I'm looking to see if they've gotten any notification from NASDAQ or whatnot, because they are under the dollar. I'm just trying to go back to see if they received any notifications. To get to up to a certain, they have to be traded over $1 for a certain time period, or they find themselves on the possibility of getting delisted. But I mean, right there, it could be anything. Look at the market, do some due diligence. This thing right here, it could be something special. It might not be. We got to find out. And my 2 minutes of reading that one press release just doesn't cut it. So if you really are interested in making money investing in stocks, do your due diligence. And as always, if you have a great opinion on it, share it with the tens of thousands of other like-minded investors that are using Investors Hangout daily by going over to that DCTH board and post it right over there. We'd love to know your opinion.
All right, so all the stuff that Joe's talking about is right here. So again, the time and sales, I mean, that's something really big too, so you can watch exactly what's going on. But over here regarding the chart, like I said, hold too much selling going on here, in my opinion. Just needs to find bottom. I mean, it can't even get through the 10-day simple moving average, which is a big thing. If you can't get through 10-day simple moving average, the stock, as far as the interest, is weak. I mean, that's just a fact. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and keep an eye on it. You know, it's starting to go sideways for the last few days. That might be a good sign. Hopefully, it starts leveling out. We thought it was going to happen back here. Hopefully, we can see it here. It might, but the selling just needs to stop. It's excessive, my personal opinion. 46 million shares yesterday, 24 million shares today. DCTH, you follow the stock, make sure that you hit subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. And as always, if you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.